Deathgrips, the money store. First off, we have Get Got. Noise for the sake of it, going on in the background with unintelligible vocals. I get a 4 out of 10. Next is The Fever. It's just an angry version of the previous song, so that's a 4 out of 10. Lost Boys. The beat was cool. It was kind of funky sounding. I couldn't understand a word that he was saying though, so it gets a 5 out of 10. Next we have Blackjack. That was just 2 minutes of random fucking noises. That's 3.5 out of 10. Next is Hustle Bones. It was kind of cool with a funky beat, but it was a bit repetitive, so that's a 5.2. Next is I've Seen Footage. The instrumental on that is incredibly jarring, but it's okay. 4 out of 10. Double Helix. It kind of goes hard. It's less jarring than previous songs, but it's still very hard to understand him, so 5.5. Next is System Blower. A very annoying introduction, but I could understand some of the words that he was saying on this one, so that's something. But overall, it was just a bit shit, so 3 out of 10. Next is The Cage. Kind of funky, bit average, with a decent beat. That's a 5 out of 10. Next, we have Punk Wait. A bit more electronic-y. And then about 40 seconds in, it is ruined by a cacophony of noises that I stopped listening to after that. So 3 out of 10. Next is Fuck That. Boring. Same as the rest of them. Angry vocals, just noises. Same as Bitch Please. Same shit. Angry vocals and noises. So those both get a 3 out of 10. Next we have Hacker. Kind of funky. Saying a lot of words that I couldn't figure out, and the noises in the background are just jarring. Overall, the album is just a jarring set of noises with nothing being said that I can understand. Is there much point to listen to this album? Not really. They should really make something that is less annoying and better, But they tried. That's what counts. This album gets a 4 out of 10.